O, say good morning muna.
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay, let's study now. What do you see? What shape is this? Heart. What is this?
Elephant.
Ito, what fruit is this?
Banana.
What is the color of the banana?
Yellow.
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 How about this one? What is this?
This yellow.
Yellow. How about this one? What is this?
Black.
Clock. Time. Ito.
Line.
What is this?
Line.
Huh?
Line.
Ito.
Apple.
This apple. Tomato. Looks like apple. How about this one? What is this, Brie?
Duck.
Duck. Ito.
Tiger.
Teddy bear.
Tiger.
Ito po.
Goose.
Shoes. This one.
Orange.
Ito.
Dog.
Dog. Ito po.
Banana.
This one.
Yeah.
Cat. Ito po.
Apple.
Apple. What's the color of the apple here?
Green.
Green. This one. This one, Brie.
Fish.
Fish. Ito po. What is this na?
Car.
Car.